Hey everybody, Jillian here. Have you guys ever heard of Artsa? If you've been following my channel, especially this year, you'll see how I have just fallen in love with learning about the Jewish roots of the Christian faith. I've shared so many of my favorite books and resources for learning more about that. So when this company, Artsa, reached out to me to share about their subscription boxes, which feature artisanal items from the Holy Lands, I was like, yes please. So I'm super excited to share with you what's in this box. So let's go ahead and check it out. What do you say? Alright, so Artsa is a quarterly subscription box that features artisanal items sourced from the Holy Land, hence the Holy Land delivered. So every 3 months, a new box features a different region, and on their website you can go check out which region is going to be featured in the next few boxes. So Artsa sent me their Nazareth box. The one that's currently available is the Bethlehem box, which features unique items from, you guessed it, Bethlehem. I think next quarter is Jerusalem for spring 2021, so that'll be really cool. So inside the box, I already kind of peeked in here a little bit, so it was packed much nicer than this. In the box is some information about the artisans and the products themselves. And then look at this beautiful photograph of the area that's featured. So this is printed on really heavyweight material, and then on the back you get some regional information, some additional photos, scripture, and then a little spot to learn Hebrew. So they teach you the Hebrew word for these English words and then the pronunciation, which is so cool. And inside each box, they include something for the soul, something to inspire, something to learn, to taste, to share, and for the body. So let's go ahead and see what's inside here. I like to be surprised, so we'll go through these cards that talk about each item in a moment as we go. But first, there are a couple of postcards that they include in here with some additional info on the back. So this one, it says, "Greetings from ancient Roman Bath," and it gives some info about that. And then here is "Greetings from Mount Precipice." So that's super cool. And then here's just some information about Artsa. Their verse is Genesis 12:3 and 5. It says, "Artsa captures the experience we hope to bring you, a journey toward the land and its blessing." I think the word Artsa means towards the land. It says, "Our mission is to bring you Artsa and its blessings, even if you can't physically travel there." I definitely want to go there, but I don't know that we can make that happen just yet. Okay, so inside the box, let's go ahead and see what we've got here. It smells really great, by the way. And it's packaged well, nothing is broken. Ooh, what is this? A home blessing. Wow, this is a beautiful embroidery. This is really nice. It says, "Let this be a place where peace abides, where tranquility pervades, a place where love grows, contentment and happiness is a blessing, a success." I'm not sure what this material is, but it's really nice. And there's some beading on the ends here on both sides. A little string or rope to hang it on a wall. It looks like it's got linen on the back, and then the artisan's tag here with some Hebrew characters, and I think that says, I'm not going to try and pronounce that. Wow, that is beautiful. That would be so pretty hanging on the wall. Ooh, let's see what this is. Shakshuka blend. Okay, so one of the things that I saw is that they include a recipe with each box. So it looks like this spice blend is meant to be used with this recipe. That's so cool. So you've got the ingredients, the instructions. Wow, and these are all things that most of us probably already have in our kitchens. And now we have the spice blend to make it super authentic. Wow, I'm definitely excited to try that out. It looks really good. And this is the artisan who created the spice blend with some additional info, Avi, about his story. How cool. So this says, "In the meadows of Bethlehem in the Galilee, neighboring Nazareth, is a farm growing herbs and spices of the highest quality. Their vision is to spread the culture of spices through a wide range of spice blends for cooking, creating a connection between all those who enjoy our product, the land, and people of Israel." And it smells amazing. Next up is this adorable little handheld wooden cross. Just fits so nicely in the palm of your hand for prayer or whatever you'd like to use it for. I think I see another food item here. Ooh, apple pomegranate and honey spread from Torah Israeli Family Boutique. I'm positive that I'm saying that wrong. It says, discover wondrous flavors, intoxicating aroma like you have never experienced before, at least since the days of the Bible. So it's pretty cool. I like reading each artisan's story on their product, and then also in the cards too. Let's see, another one. Ooh, tea. Ella Valley Rose Peppermint Licorice. Shalva tea. I think that I saw a card for this one in here. It's a native aromatic herbal tea. Enjoy it piping hot or ice cold. And then there's a little info about the founder of this tea. Let's see, is it loose leaf or is it in bags? Oh, bags. That's so handy. Or little pods. Super handy. It smells really good too. 20 tea pillows. Perfect. Let's see what else. I had already peeked at this one, so it came packed way better than this. But it is what looks to be a handmade tile from Susan's house. Teens building their future with their own hands. And it just gives some information here about this organization. It's a unique workshop that empowers teens at risk to find their place within society through artistic expression, personal investment, and creative initiatives. So how beautiful is this? It's like a ceramic heart with a little rope so you can hang it, and there's some beads on there. And it's my favorite color. I'm gonna have to add this to my gallery wall. And then what else? I think this is another item that makes this box smell really good. It is, look at how cute it's packaged. Teresa organic soap. Cocoa butter, shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil. And that smells good. And then I think there's some info in here. Here we go. Teresa's handmade soap. This one was crafted just for the Artza Box. It says freshen up in the morning or relax before bed. In the hills overlooking the Galilee, just outside the center of Nazareth, is a small studio run by a young mother of 3 named Teresa. It is here with the view of Galilee's green hills and valleys that Teresa works to bring her dream of making high-quality, all-natural soaps to reality. We hope you enjoy the beautiful smells from Nazareth. Let's open it up and see what it looks like, yeah? Ooh, it's pretty too. And it says Nazareth stamped on the front here. That'll be pretty in the soap dish. And then the last item here, I think, is the something to learn. It says Reveal Israel, match, quiz, and spin through the land of Israel 3-in-1 family card game. Okay, so in the center here are some instructions, 4 ways to play. So it could be like a matching game, it looks like, a quiz game, a spin game, and explore. So you can learn Hebrew because they have pronunciations on the card. You can see the map location of these different areas. A little quiz question on the bottom. That's so cute. And then here's the spin game. Wow, this will be really fun to play with. I'm looking forward to exploring this. Ela Valley, Alpaca Farm, Ashkelon. Cool. Oh, that'll be so fun to play with my oldest. It seems like there's like different age ranges could play this. Like there's something for each age range. And then a handy little box to keep it in. So that's Reveal Israel. It says it's good for 1 to 18 players ages 5 and up. Cool. So that is what is included in this Artza box. This is another Nazareth box. It is no longer available, but there is a beautiful one from the Bethlehem region that is available. And Artsa is offering you guys a 15% discount with the code Jillsky15. So I'll put some information down in the video description below if you want to check out Artsa and take advantage of that generous discount code. They offer an annual subscription, or you could go month to month if you'd prefer to do that. And then they also have a premium box, which includes everything in here and then I think 1 to 2 additional items. And then be sure to follow Artsa on Instagram because they share some amazing behind the scenes info and like breathtaking views of the Holy Lands. They are on the ground over there and share just all of these beautiful places that I hope to visit someday. So thanks so much for letting me share with you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. Don't forget to check out that discount code and Artsa's website in the video description below the video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.